Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Shafiqul Islam with bold English. Now I am in the countryside. There is a huge countryside scenery. Looks very beautiful. We can see a huge gourd tree, green gourd tree, and we can see, or I can see, a small gourd, tender gourd hanging. You can see there is another gourd, tender gourd, very beautiful. We can see a bean tree without bean. You can see two another gourds hanging under the tree. This is a gourd leaf, very tasty and delicious, and of course full of vitamin C. There is a well, we can see, full of water hyacinth. Actually, village is village. Nice scenery, pleasant scenery. We all are enjoying. At a large distance, you can see yellow color. There is a tower, electric tower. The scenery of Araihazar Narayanganj. Excellent beauty. The beauty of natural scenery always charms us all. Sometimes we should come to the village or countryside to enjoy the beauty of the village. If we don't come to village, our life will never be fulfilled. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much. There is a short video for you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.